Let's take a quick look at the layout of the app. Here are the Java classes. The dinner class has methods for figuring out what dinner to suggest. The main activity shows the main screen. To start with, the main screen only has this one button, What's for Dinner? And when you press the button, it fires off an intent to the Show Dinner activity. So the dinner shows here, and then you get these buttons. And each of these buttons fires off an intent to start the appropriate activity. So for example, the Show Recipe button sends an intent to start the Show Recipe activity. And actually, Choose Again does not have a corresponding activity, it just has a method inside the class. Now this class here, the Use Info Box fragment, is a fragment that simply displays an info box and a heading. This lets you reuse the fragment wherever you need it and helps simplify the code. And for example, the Show Recipe activity, the Remove Meal activity, the Order Dinner activity, all these activities use this fragment. The app has a couple of menus. There's the main menu, which just shows the settings, but actually we're not going to use the settings in this application. More interestingly, the Food Prefs menu displays a list of food options. This pop-up is used whenever we want to let the user choose their food preference. There's one other quick thing I want to mention. In the intro lesson to this course, you learned how to implement the onConnected code to use the Google API Client Library. However, for both Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, you do not need to implement any code to use the Google API Client Library. All the app needs is to specify the version of the client library in the Android manifest, like this, and to specify the dependency on Play Services in the build.gradle file. And these dependencies have already been set up for you in the What's for Dinner sample app.